Hello guys, this is Maths Made Easy with Kingsley. We have two questions on the board. We are to change these two mixed numbers or mixed fractions to decimal. Now how do we do it? Let's start with question 1 or question A. Solution A. 3/4/5 is equals to 3 plus 4/5. That will be equals to 3 plus. Now, I want to look for a way to work on this fraction here and change it to decimal. So I'll rule a long line and put 4 and 5 and times. Now, I'll look for a number that I can use to multiply 5 to make it either 10 or 100. Whenever the denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000 as the case may be, it's easy to change the fraction to decimal. I repeat, whenever the denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000 as the case may be, it's easy to change the fraction to decimal. Now, I can easily change 5 to 10 by multiplying 5 by 2. Because I've multiplied by 2 down, I'll also multiply by 2 up. Do you understand? Whatever number you use to multiply to change the denominator to 10 or 100 or 1000 as the case may be, use that same number to multiply the numerator. Alright, so it's going to give me 5 times 2, 10, 4 times 2, 8. Now with this, I can easily change to decimal. As I strike my 0 here, behind this 8, there's an invisible decimal point. So I'll move it once and put it here. So my answer for this 8/10 gives me 0.8. Take note, if I had struck 2 zeros, I would have moved twice, 1, 2. Do you understand? So, but since I struck 1 0, I'm moving just once in the numerator to the left, and that gives me 0.8. So I can come here and say 3 plus 0.8. I can write this as 3.0 because every whole number has a decimal at the back. Behind every whole number is an invisible decimal point. Now, I can say plus 0.8, 0.8. And when I add it up, I get 3.8. I hope it's very simple and clear. If you understand it very well, I'll leave you to do B. Change 7 whole number, 11/20 to decimal number, and put your answer in the comment section. If you like my video, please share and follow me. See you in our next class.